All right, today I'm planning on going on a 30 days YouTube challenge. That means I'm going to be posting every day for the next 1 month. That means I'm going to be seeing me every day on the screen for the next 1 month. And what is the usefulness of this thing? These 30 days, you are going to be learning a lot from me. Why? Because, I teach on how to use AI. If you go through my page, you can see some of my videos that I've done before. You can go ahead and watch some of my videos so far. This page is a new page. I just created this page about a few weeks ago, and already I've had a lot of videos that I've posted here. But now I'm going to be going all in. In other words, I'm going to be available every blessed day for the next 30 days to show you how to use AI. Right? So it's not that I'm going to just be talking. I'm going to be showing you doing my normal daily routine tutorials on teaching you how to use AI. So if you are looking forward to how you are able to, create AI movies, this is the page you're supposed to follow. And people looking for how you are able to use AI to design graphic to design your flyers, and this is the best page to go if you are looking for anything that you can do with AI, building websites, building apps. But I'm going to be covering everything. So in this particular channel, I'm going to be teaching everything in the next 1 month. That means I'm going to be showing up every day, at least one video every day. So you want to make sure you give me so you want to make sure you subscribe to this particular channel because there's a lot of value I'm going to be giving up. Right. The reason why I'm embarking on this challenge is because I've not been readily available before now. Okay. A few months ago when I created this channel, I'll be posting once in 3 days, sometimes once in 2 days. So I'm not be consistent. Right. But I have a lot to offer. Okay. Because I've done my research and actually this is what I do. This is one of my skills using AI to build different stuff for clients. So I think that I have enough to offer, and I want to make sure I bring this to make sure that a lot of people learn from me. So in the next 1 month, you're going to be seeing me in your faces. As I'm talking, a lot of people want to scroll and pass. All right. It's normal. A lot of people are not comfortable with things like this. Okay. So I'm going to be giving you the details every day. All right. So after I teach you, after I give you a tutorial, I taught you for that day, I'm going to come back in the next 1 month. So today's date is the 17th of June 2026. So by July 17th, we're going to come back to this particular video again to make another one, to let you know how far I've gone, right? The kind of visibility this page has received. This channel is less than a month, so I'm embarking on the 30 days posting consistently, teaching people how to use AI. All right, that's what I do. In case you want, if you are seeing me for the first time, you can go ahead and just enter my profile and check most of the videos that I've done so far. So I bless you. All right. So I spend my time to make sure I create my videos. So everything I do here is how to use AI, create things. In case you want to learn how to build website with AI, you want to learn how to build app with AI, you want to learn how to create videos. As you can see, video generation with AI is very important. Now, whether you like it or not, AI has come to stay. Okay, whether you like it or not, you must be part of this trend. If you are not part of it, you will be left behind. All right, it's going to take a lot of jobs, but it's going to take jobs from people who are currently not using it to work. All right, so this page is designed to show you everything that you need to know. So if you are looking for your go-to places where to learn any AI skill, here is where to learn. All right, in case you have anything that you want me to talk about, you have anything that you want me to what, do a class on, want me to teach about. All right, you can drop them in the comment section. Anything you want me to create with AI, anything you want me to work on that you want to learn, I can actually do that. You can just go to the comment section and drop a message there, and I will definitely respond to you. And I'm going to do what you want. Actually, the purpose of me posting is so that you can learn a thing or two. Okay, so it's not just that I just want to be posting every day just because I have the skill. I want to be teaching every day. No, okay, it's part of it because I love teaching. That's what I love doing. Okay, it's also so that you will be able to benefit from what I'm doing. Because what the essence of making tutorials every day, teaching people how to succeed in AI. I'm going to be covering AI business and making money from AI, not just creating with AI. So what's the essence of creating all this kind of content every day, which is going to be time consuming? All right, it's not going to be easy for me, but I know that today I'm kickstarting, and this is my first video I'm going to be making on this particular 30 days challenge. So what's the essence of creating all these things if you are not going to be there to watch it? It doesn't make any sense. Okay, so the purpose of creating it so that you can watch it, not just because I love doing it, it's also because there are people that are going to watch what I'm doing, and that is my happiness there. So if if you're able to watch this video to this minute, it means that you are interested in this 30 days challenge. And then after these 30 days, I assure you that there are a lot of skills that you're going to have. There are a lot of experience and things you're going to learn from me, okay, in the next 30 days. So if you have been able to watch the video to this point, I believe by now you are subscribed to this particular channel, okay. So I will see you from tomorrow. Henceforth, for today, this is the only video I'm going to be posting for today, just to let you know that you are embarking our 30 days YouTube posting challenge. So I'll see you in my next video. In case you haven't subscribed to this channel, okay, make sure you subscribe. And if you have seen me to this particular time, right, this particular minute, okay, and here you not hit the subscribe button, YouTube work in a way that they are going to keep showing me, right? Once you have seen me like this now, tomorrow you will see me again. So it's better you subscribe so that you'll be getting notification whenever I post a video. Or YouTube will by themselves use their own hands to put me on your face. Why? Because I'm giving out value here. This is what we're going to be doing for the next 30 days, starting from today, 17th of June, 2026. So we'll come back July, okay? We'll come back July to come and also gist you guys. So what I'll be able to achieve. Of course, you are going to be part of the process. Bet that you are going to subscribe to the channel. And you're going to be getting notification every day with my posts. And you're going to be learning one thing or two from the videos I'm going to be dropping and the tutorials I'm going to be making for the next 30 days. So on the this July, by next month, this June, by next month, July 17th, we'll come back to talk about it. And I'm going to display my page to show you what I was able to achieve, posting consistently for the next 30 days. In case you are a new YouTuber, this is very, very important for you to learn a thing or two and to see what you can actually get from it. So I'll see you in my next video.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel.